Hi, today we're going to look at the day in the life of an energized SOC team, particularly how our CM and SOAR work together to provide efficiency in cybersecurity for the team. The overall objective of our sessions are to look at how to proactively hunt for cybersecurity threats, not just reactive. We want to use the power of CM and AI to correlate everything and bring alerts quicker into the system. We want to use SOAR and automation to enable the quicker response of the team, and we want to keep everybody regulatory compliant. So let's look at the day. We start the day with reviewing the overnight incidents that SOAR has created. There may be some AI-based anomalies that have been found also, so we need to review those. We then need to look at analyzing the external threats and things that are happening in the industry through external integration. So let's get started. First of all, we look at AI, and we can see that we can detect things like rare words, numbers, vectors, and things that are going on in the network. Because there's so much data, it's much easier to get AI to look at this and produce the reports for you. There's a bunch of videos there. I suggest you look at them to understand more details how our AI models work and how you can create them and run them yourself. In this case, we found a rare word in a log, and this rare word happens to be an SQL injection attempt. So our team needs to look at the attack fingerprint. We need to look at the playbook inside of SOAR, make sure it's being created or updated for that particular attack, and we need to evaluate the scope of that attack. So reviewing the incidents and threats, we can look at the SOAR integration with the MISP, and it's found an alert here around phishing. And what it does is it goes out and it brings in the data from the phishing email, and our SOAR contains a list of tasks. And the team can click on the task. The first task here is search the DNS logs, to search our DNS logs for any of these phishing attempts. And the second task is to search the mail server logs. Now, easy to get to do that because we already have, our SOAR already has built-in automations to do that. So it goes out, finds the information within Energy Log Server, brings back the observables and augments and enriches the case. So this is the beauty of having SOAR and CM integrated. We can really get to the bottom of things very, very quickly. We can run a MISP analyzer directly from within our SOAR database, and it can find and it can check lists, like found it on an Azure list and an Office 365 list. There's a whole bunch of lists inside the MISP database as well, so we can bring those warnings in. In addition, we've got MITRE attack information here. We can see the top tactics and techniques that are out there, and we can review those as well. So having this third-party integration, being able to use AI very effectively within the combination of CM and SOAR really helps our teams to be very proactive and very reactive very, very quickly.